back to my channel. I will be unboxing this toy. This is my new toy. The name is Ali Dance, and I will be unboxing with my daddy. So let's start. I don't know. Yeah, but where I should come?
I think start from this one.
Okay. This is way harder than I thought. Oh. Oh, great. I need your help.
Oh, this one, another one. This one.
Oh. Wait.
Yeah. Ooh.
Oh, that scares me.
What inside?
Okay.
I think no need scissors. Open it.
I just want to use scissors. Whoa. What is this?
Wow, it's a
It's a
bag.
bag! It's a bag!
Show it to the camera.
This is her bag.
A pinky bag.
We just drop it.
Yes. Continue. The next item.
This is her. I think this is gonna be a big one.
Huh?
Wow!
A skateboard?
This is her skateboard.
It's so cute. Have image on it.
Okay, time to open this one. I have no idea what.
Let me help you.
Oh, for the standing. Oh, I have one on my other one.
The next item.
That's not too cute.
And
And
beside that you have also this one.
that's for me. A brush and a stander. Is it called a stander?
And now start from the
People.
what is her name?
Ali Dance.
Ellie Dance, guys. Okay, let me help you to open it, okay?
Okay. I never see a LOL come with a spirit board. Wow.
first time? This is first time that I will have a skateboard on it.
Yeah. Sorry, it's the first time. I have a lot of LOL, but I still want to buy some again. Come on. We need a scissor again.
Yeah, you can cut it this one.
This much harder. I think
Can I help
you
you?
need to pull it.
Let me help you.
Sure. She looks very cute.
This one is Didi toys, yeah? Or your toys?
Mine.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
See, all of it is Didi toys.
Do you like baby dolls?
I think it's okay for me.
Meh.
so hard.
Just taking on time on it. Hello. Put it here. Wait.
Okay, I think it's done.
But do we miss something?
I think yes. Which one? Oh, this one. You can take.
This is so beautiful.
You can show it to the camera.
This is hard.
This one, guys. The hair is so beautiful. The
Wait.
pinky hair with the big eyes and the long leg.
I guess we missed something.
What? Hmm? But I don't know it where.
Wait, just check it. Let me check it.
There's nothing.
Nothing here.
Nothing there. Oh my God, Tira. You almost throw it all.
We're so stupid, bro.
Next time you need to be very careful, okay?
Okay. So, we don't need that. The earrings.
Yeah.
And this is the other earring looks like. So I'll just stick it on. Wait for a moment. See? Does it looks much better?
Yes.
And with this, wait for a moment here. Ah! This is more harder than I thought. There we go. And this will go here. Bro, what is this? I have no idea. Daddy, what's this?
I think this is for this one.
Are you sure?
Not really.
I'm also not
I
really.
don't know. I think, oh, this one. I think you don't need to put it if you not like it.
I don't like this.
You can put it on the back.
Oh yeah, I forget.
You can open the back.
There's so many space. More than mine. Actually, I have someone too, but only one, so I decided to buy two. This is the pink one. That one is kind of scary.
Why scary?
Let me have the other one. Let me get it. What? So guys, this one is the other one, and I have no idea how to put this.
Let me help you.
Okay, this is the other one. The other big LOL.
You have this one?
Yeah.
I don't know.
Ah.
When you buy it,
Oh.
see, Tira have two.
Now I have two. Which one is much better? You guys can think.
I think I like this one more.
Bro, I'm not a doll.
You are my doll.
Anyway, guys. Bye-bye.
See you again.
See you again. I want to have some more subscribers too, so make it to happen.